So what is ad rotation? Ad rotation is when you are split testing different ads in an ad group. So ideally you want to have more than one ad. Don't just have one ad only. Have multiple ads, so Google can rotate and see which one is working better or performing better. Nowadays Google is pushing the responsive search ad a lot more than the expanded text ads, and expanded text ads will retire by middle of next year. So you will only have the responsive search ads for running ads. But having said that, it's not only applicable to search. You need to have multiple ads for your display, for your video campaigns as well. So as long as they rotate and you allow them to rotate and not just optimize for the best performing ads, then that's what this ad rotation is for.